This beaker contains a clear solution of silver nitrate. Now I'm adding sodium chloride solution. Instantly, a dense white precipitate begins to appear. Within seconds, the entire solution turns cloudy as millions of tiny silver chloride particles form throughout the liquid. This reaction happens almost immediately because silver ions combine with chloride ions to produce silver chloride, a compound that is practically insoluble in water. At this stage, it looks like the reaction is complete. The clear solution has transformed into a thick white suspension, and nothing seems like it's going to change. But that's not the end of the experiment. Now let's add ammonia solution. Watch the white precipitate very carefully. As the ammonia mixes with the solution, something unexpected begins to happen. The white solid slowly starts to disappear. Little by little, the cloudy mixture clears until the solution becomes transparent once again. The precipitate hasn't been destroyed. Instead, the ammonia reacts with the silver ions to form a stable, soluble complex ion. As this complex forms, the silver chloride dissolves back into the solution, making the white solid vanish before your eyes. 2 simple steps, one fascinating transformation, and another reminder that chemistry can produce incredible changes with just a few drops. Subscribe to Shock Lab for more amazing chemistry experiments.